guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm here in Bloxburg. So yeah, I kinda actually deleted my two house and one cafe. I was scrolling because I was building, guys, and I actually where is the carpet and carpet, and it's like, why there's a baby and kids, and it was like, oh my gosh. Guys, someone actually texted in the text box, says like, OMG, OMG, there's a baby update. So I was like, yeah, there is. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I literally checked that out and like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. And there's some small toys and you could pick up babies. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to start, oh my gosh, they're so cute. So, oh my gosh, there's a little boxes for role plays and like storages and table and stuff. And there's a car. This a Roto minivan, I think. It's 52,000. So, let's see. It's 17,000. I can't sell that, or else I don't have any car. So, we're going to start decorating this area. Again, guys, the official house tour maybe come. I don't know. Maybe I'm just going to start decorating this house. I mean, this baby stuff. And yeah. So I'm just going to pause this video and I'm going to show you what I did. See you. So guys, I'm actually done decorating the baby room. I'm not really actually done of my house, but yeah, house tour will be, I don't know, maybe when it's done. So yeah, so I'm going to let you see, guys, which my house is kind of really gray, but yeah, let's just open this door. This could be a gamer's thingy-majinger, but yeah. So this is actually the baby room. I hope you like it because like I pretty much make us a cozy like thingy-majinger. And like the store boxes, I put like in the storage box and like that. And I put a little dresser so baby could, change. And yeah, pretty much it. And some toys. So I'm just going to go change into a baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I look cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, why am I crying? I don't know why I'm not crying. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, my face is okay now. Oh, you can't do this. Oh, I'm still young. Oh, I think it's you need a parent to guide that, And yeah, oh my gosh, so cute. Like, oh my gosh, crawling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why am I crying again? Could I stop crying for like 10 minutes or something? Or 5 seconds? But yeah, it's really cute. It's good for roleplay, guys. And yeah. Okay, now I'm happy. No, I'm crying. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I really like the update. And oh, my energy is almost fulling out. I mean, fulling out. My energy is almost full. So yeah. I really like the update, especially with the toys and the bears and some accessories, and when you turn into a baby. And it says you also create a family in order to carry the baby. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just fall. I was trying to climb the thingy, but yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm trolling. Okay, let's change our outfit. Go back to a parent. Yeah, I really enjoyed being a baby for like, I don't know, maybe a minute. But I really love this house. I really love this baby room, and I hope you like it too because I pretty much do it as a cozy way. Oh my gosh, I could like do that. Okay, and yeah. I hope you like the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below if you like it or not, and smash that bell thingy. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I need to move that. Okay. So yeah, I hope you like the video. The house tour will be I don't know, but I think I'm almost done with my house. So yeah, be safe because COVID is here. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!